Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to schedule a Zoom call. So first, you have to launch your Zoom application. Now, as you can see here, we have four options: new meeting, join, schedule, and share screen. All you have to do is to select this schedule here. So above here, we can see schedule meeting. For topic, you can easily edit this one and create your own topic. For example, your meeting is all about client and team. You can also change this one and put that, or if you want to name this as upcoming meeting, actually everything is up to you. But topic is also important so that it would be easier for you to know what this meeting is all about. For attendees, you can type the name of these people, or you can also type their email address. Okay, so this serves as attendance for the participants that will be joining on your scheduled meeting. Okay, so next here is the date and time. Okay, select time here, start, and then up to what time. Also, you can edit the date here. For time zone, you can also select anything here. For example, Tokyo. Let's just say I'm living in Japan. Okay, this is just an example. Recurring meeting, okay, for this one, you can tap daily, weekly, or monthly. Okay, repeat every 1 month or 2 months occurs, every 15th of the month, 16th of the month, or every first Sunday of the month, second Sunday or second Monday of the month. Okay, everything, you can just simply edit everything here. Now for end date, you can just leave it like that. Now let's proceed with security. Okay, so as you can see here, this passcode is a little bit hard. So if you wanted to, or if you want this one to be simpler, you can just edit this one. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you want this also to be like unique or harder, that no one can easily get this passcode, you can type it this way. Okay, for waiting room, you can edit this one. For video, okay, so you can select this video on off. For host, also for participants, you can turn this one on off. Okay, so you just have to select any of these options here. Now once you're done, all you have to do is to click save. Now to see your scheduled meeting, all you have to do is to simply tap meetings, and you can see there the details of any scheduled meeting or upcoming meeting. So that's it. And actually, you can just edit this one. And for example, you want to invite people, then you can simply click this copy invitation and then send this to your friends or the participants' email address or other social media platform. So once they click the link or once they tap this one, they can easily join that scheduled meeting on Zoom. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.